Action.
Hi, we're from the Schoolgen lead team. Today, we're going to tell you about solar power.
Solar power is energy from the sun.
We have solar panels on our roof which create electricity. In our school, we have 12 solar panels. We have 12 solar panels because that is as much as there would be on a house.
We would get our solar panels from Germany. The brand is Schoolgen.
In New Zealand, the solar panels must be facing north. They are very expensive though. But our school is so lucky. We got ours for free!
Yes!
The solar panels last for about 40 to 50 years.
The day the solar panels got installed on our school roof was 16th of October, which is my birthday.
Now enough about our school. Did you know in Germany their goal is to have solar panels on every roof? We use electricity every day of our lives, and the demand to power our everyday world is increasing.
Solar energy is created by nuclear reactions and the deep inside the sun's core.
When sunlight hits the solar panels, the photons in the sunlight make electrons, and the silicon move around. The electrons flow through the wires that are built into the solar panel, and electricity is created. Thanks for